Writing basic expressions with variables. The two key things that you have to watch out for, especially when you're doing these, is mainly when you're working with addition and subtraction. There's two key times where you have to be really careful. One is when you see an expression wanting to be more than, or the expression less than. So when you see this, like 4 more than y, the trick is you have to actually switch these when you put your plus sign. Now, more than does mean you're going to add, but the y should go first and the 4 should go second. So your expression should look like y plus 4. Now, the nice thing is it's commutative because it's addition. It doesn't matter what order you add stuff in, but this is technically how it should be written, y plus 4. Now, if you do the same thing with less than, anytime you see the word than, like more than or less than, that should be a bell that you need to be careful of. And so, for example, if you had 5 less than b, now we have 5 in front and b in back. And so we still, just like the subtraction or addition, we want to switch them. And so that will give us b, 5, and then it's less than, so we have a minus sign. Now, unlike addition, subtraction order does matter. So you do need to make sure you have the b in front of the 5. So when you see 5 less than b, that means you have b minus 5. If you have 4 more than y, it should be y plus 4. So this is the tricky part with writing expressions or equations. When you see more than or less than, you have to be careful to make sure you reverse the order. The rest of them are pretty straightforward, and that's what we're going to look at next. So write an expression of g divided by 18. So you just take g divided by 18. When you see divided by, that just basically means a fraction. So basically you're just going to say g over 18 and get your answer there. Next up, you have a more than 12. This is an example of the more than. So we move the a over here and the 12 over here, and so you should have 12 plus a. This is an example of the less than feature again. So once again, we move these to the opposite side, so you should have k minus 13. And then if you see times or other words for multiplication are product or factor or a multiple, it just basically means 13x or 13 parentheses x or 13 times x, but just writing 13x, no space, into the answer box will give you the right answer. So if you have any more questions about writing expressions with variables, please ask during class or see me during office hours this week. Thanks and have a nice day.